Hi, I am Gail of 876 Documents. I help Jamaicans in the US and other countries with the paperwork to get their Jamaican documents. So, this is about caring for your Jamaican birth certificate. I hinted at it in part of a video, but I'm going to tell you again, straight up. Stop fold up your birth certificate. Mine did fold up because my mother get me that one here from before me start work at the consulate. After I start work at the Jamaican consulate, so I realized when you fold them up, people bring them in, and when you fold up, so nice and neat, safe, keep it safe in our envelope or whatever, can fit in our envelope quite nicely. The name start rub out. So right here, so which part my one fold, my father parish of birth gone. Good thing my one only fold in a tree because in a tree, Tree. My one only fold in a tree, so only my father place of birth gone. But if you fold it in a 4, you add your date of birth go gone or your name go gone. And if the registrar cannot read your date of if the passport office cannot read your date of birth, they're not accepting that document. There's no point having a birth certificate them can't read your date of birth on it. See, my one cut right between my name and my date of birth. And if it stay fold up for long enough, it'll go peel off. So keep your birth certificate straight like this in a paper folder. Try not to use a plastic. If you're gonna put it in a plastic, at least put a piece of paper over the face so it don't stick to the plastic. And take a